activity that we're calling Stack Up the Points. Now, here's some things you're going to need. We're using a foam-coated ball. Any size foam-coated ball you want to use is up to you, or any kind of ball you want the kids to use to roll on the ground. We're also using cones, and inside the cones are dice. And we just randomized and put different numbers facing up to start the game. Larger class sizes, so our students partner up and they take turns. It easily can play this one by themselves as well. We have our kids, this is for kinder through second grade, and we have them going from the sidelines towards the middle. If you want to go from a distance, you can also go from the baselines to the middle as well to do some further rolling. We also use dots on the side, my little stickers for them to stand on so they know where to be. Make a match if you can. Partners waiting their turn over here, and I'm going to roll the ball, going through those critical elements with my motion, and trying to get the ball to touch a cone. Now my ball's not going to touch a cone, so I simply get my ball, and return back to my partner, and I hand it to my partner. And now I wait my turn against the wall, so I give the person room to roll. When it is my turn, I come back to the dot with the ball, and then I'm going to roll it again. When it does hit a cone, I get to look underneath it and see how many points I earned. 4. Now, if we had a previous score, we add to that. So let's say we had 2 plus 4 more gives us 6. Couple options you can have at your school. Just have them cover it back up, and every once in a while, you as the teacher goes through and changes the numbers. Or you can have the kids roll a new number. Oh, mine not for you. That's okay. We put dots in the middle so they know where to leave things, so it stays spaced out evenly. Cover it back up. So that's option 2. Have the kids roll it, and it's a new number each time. Sometimes, they like to leave it on a high number, like a 6, without rolling it. That's okay. So they're just going to get the ball and go back. Keep their tracks, try to see how many points they can earn. I hope that your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo, reminding you to keep on moving.